Imagine running your own ChatGPT for your document completely offline, no API, no cost, just in your laptop. Welcome to Naga Automates. In this video, we will install Ollama, run the Mistral model and build a real AI agent with memory. First, open your browser and search for Ollama. Download and install it like a normal software. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. You can also install a model from here. If you didn't find the model here, you can install from command prompt using Ollama full command. For the model, you can go to Ollama library, copy desired model ID. And paste here. It takes time to download. Before downloading a model, remember this. Smaller models like 1 to 3B need 4 to 8 GB RAM, while 7B models may require 16 GB RAM or more. Then list your models using Ollama list command. Let's code. Pip install LongChain. Import the Ollama class from LongChain. This lets us use a large language model like Mistral. Import conversation buffer memory. This stores the conversation history so the AI remembers past messages. Import conversation chain. This creates a chain that connects the LLM with memory for chatting. Initialize the LLM with a specific model. Here we are using Mistral 7B instruct -Q4_0. Create a memory object to store the conversation history. Build the conversation chain by combining the LLM and memory. Verbose equal to true means it will show extra detail during execution. Print a message to let the user know the chat has started. Start an infinity loop to keep the chat running until user exits. If the user types exit, break the loop and stop the chat. Pass the user input to the chat chain. The chain will generate a response using the LLM and memory. Print the AI's response to the console. Save the file. Let's test it. Turn off internet. Let's run Ollama server. This is not a just chatbot. It remembers conversation, runs fully offline, no API cost, works like a real AI assistant. In the next video, we will make this agent even smarter. It will read your documents and act like a real assistant with your data.